Okay, guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to dive right into this and show you how you can make this money very easily by simply networking with other people that have smartphones. Remember one thing, guys, we have nothing to buy, nothing to sell. Get your membership, invite in other people with smartphones, and start getting paid today. So let's look at our memberships and how it works. So right now, we have our silver, gold, and our platinum. If we look at our silver membership, you come in with $100. That's how you get your membership. $10 lifetime admin fee. You never pay anything else. There's no monthly payments, no auto shifts, none of that. So what happens is you're going to share this with other people, right? They come in, you get paid, right? They join the club. Everyone has one of these, so they want to make money with it, right? Of course they do. So we have our silver membership at $100, $10 admin fee. Our gold membership at $250, right? And that comes strictly from the profit that you make from inviting people into your silver, right? Then we have our premium platinum, which is our big boy on the block at $1,000. That means that you're going to now make $1,000 from the same people that you brought in strictly from profit, the profit that they make and the profit that you make. That is amazing, man. Now, let's go down and take a look at this. I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that I put together to help you guys to make this money really quickly. I'm going to break it down, and these are our categories. We have our silver, gold, and our platinum membership, okay? We know that. So now we have our packages priced at 100, 250, and 1,000. We have our members. We're going to look at 5. This is going to be just with 5 members that have smartphones. That's all the requirements are. Smartphones and your membership to join. That's it. Smartphone membership to join. So 5 individuals, right? We're looking at that. These are our donations based upon those 5 people, right? The upgrade, this takes us from one level to the next. And over here is our bankable, spendable. This is your money. Let me move myself over there out of your way so you can see all that good bankable, spendable money, of course. So now what you're going to do is this. You're going to get your membership for $110. You're going to receive your own membership website, which has membership tracking, email notifications. Everything is in the back of your back office. Plus, we have some special gifts back there for you guys on each one of these levels. So you're going to get your membership for 100. You're going to bring in 5 people. Let's say 5. We're going to use 5 for illustration purposes only. You can definitely bring in more. Bring everybody, because everybody with a smartphone need to be getting this smartphone money. So you bring in 5 people. Time that $100. That multiplication gives us 500. So you're going to upgrade from the 500 for 250 of that, and you're going to bank 250. Now imagine you came in for 110, you're already up to 250. You're in profit mode already. You have your money back, plus you're in profit mode just from joining the club. That's it, guys. We're running a club. Nothing to sell, nothing to buy. I really want to drill that into your head, because a lot of people think that they have to sell something. There's nothing for sale. You get your membership, invite others in, okay? So 250 goes into your bank account. When you're 5 people, these great people you just brought in, duplicate your effort and go out there and bring in some people, because everybody has smartphones, right? When they bring in 5 people with smartphones, they're going to each give you 100, right? That's going to be 500 going into their accounts. They're going to upgrade now for 250. That multiplication time, those 5 people will give you $1,250 in your bank account. That's with 5 people, guys. We haven't done no work, haven't sold anything, right? This thing is amazing, boy. You cannot beat this technology. So now, $1,250 in your account. What you're going to do is pinch off of that. Don't spend the whole thing yet. We're going to go shopping soon. But right now, I need you to upgrade for that $1,000 into that platinum, strictly from profit. Nothing out of your pockets, guys. When you upgrade into that $1,000 level and your team members follow you, now you're banking another 250. So right now, if you look at the 250s here from your silver and your gold, you're already $500 up, guys. And you've also went into your platinum level at 1,000. When you multiply that, when your people do the same thing and you multiply that time, that 5 people, that is $5,000. Nothing else comes out of your account. Nothing else comes out of your pocket. Nothing else comes out of your profit, because you only have to take possession of the silver, gold, and the platinum one time, and they're yours for life. No auto ship, no monthly, none of that. So now what's going to happen is you have $5,000 you've just collected. When you add that 5,000 plus the 2 previous 250s, right, from your silver and gold, that is $5,500. You could do that this week. How many of you guys could use that money this week? Of course you could, guys. That is what makes this thing so unique. You could use that money this week and you can get it. Why? Because everyone has a smartphone. It's amazing, guys. So let's look at what just happened. For our silver membership, we banked 250 through the profit and the upgrade. That's what was left over. The gold membership, we pocketed another $250 strictly from profit and the upgrade. On the platinum total level, we have $5,000. When you add all of that together, $5,500 in. Guys, you cannot beat that. Now, here's the steps. Very simple steps, guys. Nothing hard about this. Get your silver membership package for $110. Share the opportunity with, let's just say 5 for the sake of illustration. 5 like-minded people. Now, when I say like-minded, it has to be people that understand that they do not have to do a lot of work to make this money. A lot of people be looking for a lot of work to do, but then when they get something that's a lot of work, they can't handle it. So we're not going to even go off into that because we're not doing a lot of work at all, okay? 5 like-minded people. When your 5 new members join, you will earn $500. You can now upgrade into the gold membership package for $250, banking $250. Assist your 5 silver members. Get with them, help them get their 5. It doesn't matter because everybody is working together to earn in this mobile network. When that happens, each one of them will receive $500 each. They will then upgrade to you for $250, giving you a total of $1,250. Wow. And they themselves will bank $250. You then upgrade into the platinum from that $1,250 for $1,000. Bank yourself another $250. Have your 5 duplicate that effort by upgrading for that $1,000, which will give you $5,000. Total $5,500. Once again, that's just with 5 people, guys. So if you're ready to make this money, if you're ready to just not procrastinate, but jump into this game with 110, sharing this, because what's going to happen when you share this opportunity, you're going to start getting paid. In your back office, we have everything laid out for you. We have the text messages already pre-written. All you do is copy them and paste them to people. If you're sharing it on Facebook, not a problem. We already have the post ready. You guys can share the post. Guys, this is money that can be made easily. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance to the Money and Power Club mobile network. See you on the inside. Take care.